This is a 2T22 in Rochelle, Illinois. This is the 2T22 that me and my mom visited a couple months ago, and she thought it was really cool. So now we're taking a video of the test. This is a monthly test at 10 a.m. Let's hope this works. Hello guys, I'm back to the video, and this should go off any minute now. I'm sorry I'm having trouble keeping the tablet still, but it's pretty windy, and I never done a siren test like this before, so please don't blame me. The test should start any minute. It's 10 right now. Hope this isn't a fail. Here's that clock fast. I hear the other siren. I hear the Sentry 10V right now, which means this might go off soon. I thought I just heard the Sentry 10V. You can hear it. We're testing now. I bet it does. Just give it some time. Just give it some time. This probably is a very old siren and it needs some time to do its thing. Just give it some time and just might get lucky. Now I'm just shivering because I don't know how this is going to be. I hear it. Yes. I do too. I have a feeling this is gonna go off. Maybe they're testing it late on purpose. You know they run.
Maybe this is why they do tests. They find out if they're working or not. Maybe this one isn't working, and they're going to find out today there's something wrong.
Dude, that almost sounds like I thought it was starting up.
I know it. Your video's going to run out.
Oh. gonna do attack in a second here, I think.
No, girl, just needed to warm up, huh?
Yep, I told you. Just need to give it some time.
Yeah, you had the faith.
It sounds so cool winding down.
I think it was so cold it couldn't get going. And you're right, we did hear a motor or something.
Or a blower.
Maybe that's it.
No, I think you're gonna do attack. And you saw the snow come out, right? You caught the snow coming out. They always do attack after alert, so I know they're gonna do attack. Yeah, just keep. Wow, this video's going a lot longer than usual. Whoa, I just heard.